Hi, I'm English teacher KBob, and today I have a question for you. What did you do yesterday? This is one of the most common questions in English. Maybe you worked yesterday. Maybe you watched TV. Maybe you just visited family. Maybe you studied English. Listen to these examples. I worked yesterday. I watched TV last night. I cooked dinner. I visited my friend. I studied English. When we talk about the past, we often use words like yesterday, last night, last weekend, last week. Soon we'll begin a new unit called Simple Past. What did you do yesterday? To help you get ready, I created a free practice pack for you. Download the practice pack and practice talking about yesterday. Then ask yourself, what did I do yesterday? Write these sentences and practice saying them out loud. Every day you practice, your English gets stronger. I'm English teacher KBob. Keep learning and keep speaking English. Have a good day. To download your free practice pack, click the link in the description below and join my email community at EnglishTeacherKBob.com.